The JC Combined Index lost 8,000 points last week, or almost 3%. 124 stocks traded across the main and junior markets for the week ending Friday, June 21, 2024. 39 made gains, 73 lost value, and 12 stayed the same. 87 million shares changed hands on the Jamaican dollar market, valued at $668 million. Sagicor Select Funds Financial was the week's most traded stock. It took up 12% of market volume with 10 million shares trading. The stock lost 9 cents to open the week at 41 cents. Omni traded the second highest. The stock lost 4 cents to open Monday at $1.06. And the Trans-Jamaican rounded out last week's most traded with 8 million shares changing hands. The stock lost 4 cents to close the week at $3.09. Now let's see who had the biggest gains for the week. iCreate resumed trading last week and was the market's biggest gain, up 46%. ISP Finance Service was the week's second biggest gainer, up 16%. And Blue Power Group was up 15% to close the week at $3.96. On the losing side now, after its suspension was lifted, Edufocal resumed trading last week. The stock lost 22% to open Monday at 63 cents, and Sterling lost 16% to close the week at $2.01. Over on the Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, the composite index gained 9 points, or 1% last week. JMMB was the most traded stock. The stock gained 3 cents to open Monday at $1.26 TT. Trinidad Cement was the biggest gain of the week. The stock was up 12% to start the week at $2.90 TT. And on the losing side, West Indian Tobacco Company was down 9% to open Monday at $9.10. Over in the US, the Dow Jones was up 2% last week, while the S&P 500 was up almost 1%, and the Nasdaq was mostly flat. Over at the pumps, the price of 87 gas was up 25 cents last week, while 90 was up 50 cents. Meanwhile, regular diesel climbed $3.06 and low sulfur diesel was up $4.50. In foreign exchange, it took an average $156.59 Jamaican to purchase $1 last Friday. That's 11 cents more than the week before. Meanwhile, it took an average $115.14 Jamaican to purchase $1 Canadian. 1 British pound cost on average $196.49 Jamaican. And you could buy €1 for $170.37 Jamaican on average. Finally, on the crypto markets, Bitcoin prices were down 5% over the past 5 days, trading at $61,653 US on Monday, while Ethereum prices fell 7%, trading at $3,316 US on Monday.